Hi, this is Manoj Bhardwaj. This is a full deployed quantitative swing trading system for NSE 500 stock. It's run a rule-based system that combines applied mathematics, quantitative finance, and production-grade Python engineering. So I'm going to show you live demo. But before this, I want to tell you something. Like our daily scan system will take approx 3 to 5 minutes. For time saving perspective, we already scan that our model, so we can save our time. So now directly I will show you the result. This is the live interface built using radio and deployed on Hugging Face. From here user can run a full NSE 500 daily scan directly in the browser. The UI clearly separates three outputs: buy matrix, sell exit alert, and full market data. The separation was intentional to avoid missing actionable signal with raw indicators. Each UI map directly to backend decision logic. Buy signal appear only when all quantitative conditions are satisfied. So currently there is no condition satisfied. That's why that data is empty. Sell alert trigger when any predefined risk rule is volatile. This is for sell. Everything here is deterministic. And in full market data you can see the all data. In status report you can see the scan completed by sell. Currently it's showing 0 because there is no true value. This application is deployed using Hugging Face spaces. So I will going to show you Hugging Face. So this is my Hugging Face in UI interface. Like it's a Hugging Face, so I use this. So I will click on space and my profile. You can see my space. If I click here, so it will redirect to my uh, daily run scan system. The same code base runs both locally and in production. There is no separate demo logic. This is the real system running live. I shown you today as a demo. At a high level, the system follow a clean quantitative pipeline. We start with the statistic NSE 500 universe from CSV. Fetch OHLCV data using Y Finance, compute indicators, generate signals, manage portfolio state, and finally generate daily scan report. The same thing you can see in Git also, readme. So here you can see there is one more thing. I have attached my live demo link in GitHub also. So you can go from there also on my live demo link. So as you can see, high level system design here. Like follow CSV, market data, indicator, signal generate, portfolio manager, daily scan report, and detail workflow from step 0 to till final step. The portfolio is like persisted using JSON, which allow the system to remain stateful across run without using database. Here you can see the indicator calculations. The strategy is deliberately strict. A buy is generated only when all conditions are met. After that, RSI is calculating using wider smooth method across 3 time frames. As you can see here, trends is confirmed using moving average, either price above 200 DMA or a 50 to 200 DMA bullish crossover. Volume must be greater than 2.5 times than 20-day average, ensuring institutional participation. Finally, a bullish confirmation candle validates price action. Now, after doing quantitative strategy logic, we'll move forward toward risk management. So, how I will do risk manage? Risk is predefined before entry. Each trade has a fixed stop loss of 7% and a target of 10. You can make it 12, whatever you want. Sell condition trigger if any rule is hit. RSI, target, stop loss, or swing high. You can see all this in GitHub as well. Tools and technology used, future elements, like I'm planning to do this project future also, like we can add performance metrics, backtesting, hypothesis testing. So now it's time to move code base. So I'm going to show you my code base. The code base is modular and production oriented. Indicator, computation, signal logic, portfolio persistence, and reporting are clearly separated. The same logic power the CLI run and the live web app. Yeah, you can see this is our main code base, trading system.py. Here I written our main codes, and to support and for front end I created app.py. I am using radio, so here like I write the code for radio. So that's all from from my side on this project. This project demonstrates applied quantitative finance, system design, and real-world deployment. As I earlier mentioned, I have future plan also regarding this project. So future extension include backtesting, performance metrics, statistical hypothesis testing. Thank you.